Some call it a sedan, we call it a statement. This is the Adro M5. What's up guys, and welcome back to another video of GP Products, a performance company, and today is all about Adro. And Adro isn't just one of those aftermarket brands that creates cool car parts. It's more like a membership into an exclusive community. It's one of those brands with a proper story where you get to feel like you're part of the journey, so enjoy. We've covered some M5s already on our channel, but not quite like this one. This is the Adro M5, and fun fact, the owner of this car also has a complete Adro M4 with a sick color wrap. If you have some pictures, Amanda, you can include them. It looks very, very cool. But before we go into detail, just look at the spec of this car. We have an orange interior, we have the bronze wheels to match it, and the stance. I mean, once again, it's fixed with the wheels, but the stance of this car is very good. But let's go into detail on the carbon fiber Adro kit. At the front, obviously, you immediately notice the lip isn't stock. This is the Adro carbon fiber lip, and just look at all the details. Look at the edges here, and it goes really deep into the body. It slopes down a bit, so the car looks even wider and even more aggressive. Over to the side, again, the wheels are beautiful, and we have the Adro side skirts to blend in with the rest of the aggressiveness of the car. Once again, edges here. Pops out of the body, it seems like, makes it wider, pops back in again. And at the back, oh, also a nice detail, this thing is color matched with the wheels. It's a very cool detail, I like it. And then finally at the back, we have a very aggressive and good looking diffuser. And where the side skirts go into the body line, at the back it pops back out again, makes the car look very, very wide. And what we see with other designs that it's open, here the design is closed, but there's a space left open for the fog light. And of course, as you can see, this thing also has a Akrapovič exhaust fitted to it. It's a GP Products video after all. And to finish this thing off, we have an Adro lip spoiler. I think this is the ultimate daily. Now, one of the reasons why Adro is so cool is because we as followers get a proper insight into the entire R&D process. We get to see the clay moldings. We can even decide on which styles we like more. They create a picture online like which style you like more, bumper A or bumper B. So we can decide on how the kit looks. We get insight to the CFD analysis, which is like the aerodynamic simulation. So it's really cool to see that they actually listen to their followers. And I mean, online presence is very cool and important, but on the road, that's where the real magic happens. Let's go. Oh, hi. Now the team behind Adro is maybe even more impressive than their exciting looking cars. For example, their designer is an ex-Mercedes designer, which is responsible for some of the most crazy concept cars like the Maybach 6. Their technical officer is an ex-F1 aerodynamicist. So if you see a CFD analysis, you know it's backed by F1 experience. And on top of that, their CEO has a master's degree in race car aerodynamics. So no, Adro is not just any other aftermarket brand, they're becoming the new benchmark. Now the M3 and M4 new front bumper is what most people know them from, but they also create the most insane M4 wide body I've ever seen. And for other models as well. For example, Toyota Supra. It's a very capable platform, looks okay, but it's a bit too tame. Boom, fixed. Honda Civic FL5, very cool, but let's turn it up to 11. Boom, once again. Adro GT3, if you want a GT3, but you want it to be more extreme and don't want to go for a GT3 RS that everyone's doing, get the Adro kit and I'll promise you, you'll beat everyone on track and on the lens. Now, seriously guys, look into their stuff because you'll want to be a part of it. Blah, 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 blah. That's the sound of the M5. I love it. But it definitely does need an Akrapovič exhaust. Without the blah 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 blah, it's not an M5. It's just plain simple. These things keep surprising me. Oh shit.
The camera shook.
We're driving a 2.5 ton family sedan and it pulls away like this. And as we already mentioned, this car has the Akrapovič exhaust, but not just the slip-on. This thing has the link pipes as well. So we have all the noise. But again, the M5 is very well noise insulated car. So the car is very isolated, so we need the most sound we can get. We're car guys after all. We need the pops and the bangs. We need the V8 sound. And with the Akrapovič exhaust system, the OEM settings of the car stay intact. So if we go to the M sound button and we turn it off, burbles are gone. And if we put it back on again, there they are again. But yeah, we're never touching this setting. We're leaving it on always. And if you're a passenger and you turn it off, well, get out, please. Driven a lot of M5s now already on the channel, but never in stock form. And I hope I never have to drive one in stock form, because how it is like this, it's perfect. We have the sound, we have all the experience, you get some induction noise, you get the pops and the bangs, and we get massive power. Now with the Akrapovič exhaust, we do have a really nice sound, a nice sound for a family sedan, but if you want to upgrade even more and get even more experience out of your car, I would really suggest you go for an Venturi intake. Then you get the noise up front from the induction noise, and you get the exhaust in the back. So party in the front, party in the back, and business in the middle. Perfect combination, like a luxury sandwich, performance sandwich. All right, we have a bit of open stretch of road. Now the M5 from factory is very aggressive. You can definitely distinguish what a normal 5 Series is and what an M5 is, because it's just so big. But with the Adro body kit, the looks are enhanced so much more. People look at you because they know there's something special to this car. And there definitely is something special to this car. And let's do one final pull before we get out of the car and close this video, because the owner needs his car back once again. I would love to drive it even more, but yeah, we're working with a deadline here. One final pull. The torque kick this thing has. I mean, I shifted down to second gear, and the pull and the kick in your ass, it's... I can't compare it to another car, the kick it has, the instant kick. And I think it's also because of the fact we have the hybrid engine combined with the internal combustion engine. Yeah, they did a great job. BMW did a great job. Adro did a great job. Akrapovič did a great job. And even Venturi would also do an incredible job. I'm never getting tired of these M5s, man, seriously. And if you want to turn your M5 into a statement, well, call us. And if you like these videos, click subscribe, press the like button, and I will see you next time.